Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sushi kit. First, gather all your ingredients and tools from the kit, ensuring everything is clean and ready. Lay out your bamboo rolling mat and cover it with plastic wrap. This prevents rice from sticking and makes cleanup much simpler. Have your nori sheets, prepared sushi rice, and all your chosen fillings within easy reach. A sharp knife and a small bowl of water for moistening your hands are also essential for a smooth process. The heart of great sushi is perfectly prepared rice. Cook your sushi rice following the kit's instructions, usually a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water. Once cooked, transfer the warm rice to a large, non-metallic bowl. Now, gently fold in the sushi vinegar mixture, which typically contains rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix until evenly coated, then allow the rice to cool completely to room temperature before you begin rolling. Now for the fun part, assembling your sushi rolls. Lay one nori sheet, shiny side down, on your plastic-wrapped bamboo mat. Dip your hands in the water bowl to prevent sticking, then take about 1/2 cup of sushi rice and spread it evenly over 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge bare. Next, arrange your chosen fillings like cucumber, avocado, or fish in a neat line across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this makes rolling difficult. With your fillings in place, it's time to roll. Use the bamboo mat to tightly roll the nori and rice, applying gentle, even pressure as you go. Once rolled, moisten your sharp knife with water and slice the roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi. Enjoy your homemade sushi. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for something else that lasts, check out the link in the description for some amazing deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.